Alright, hold on, let me catch it. We got the load in there. Mr. Pig, hold on. Wait, not yet. Alright, go, B. Whoa! Nice shot! Man, that thing went way out there.
Oh, yeah!
Nice shot, B. That might be a new record.
Yep.
Wow.
Right there.
What do you think of that? Alright, Skylar, you go. Load it up in there. Pull it back, Skylar. Whoa! Right through my legs. What do you think, Skylar? What do you think?
Good.